7, 8.
This dance is called Wild West Boogie, choreographed by Chris Hookey. It's a 24 count 2/all line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, Lindy to the left, left, rock back, recover to the right, right, left, right, rock back, recover. Section 2, shuffle a half turn right, left, rock back, recover. Shuffle a half turn left, right, rock back, recover. Last section, 2 shuffles forward, left, right. A bind to the left, making a half turn left, side, behind, quarter. Now let me show you the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.